Easy rider on the highway, station wagon going slow, windows open, you are basking in the bluegrass radio. It is easy now to see you with your hand out on the wind. I keep this folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Folded at the corner so that I could not forget.
All the way, baby, get up. No, don't just stay down and lift yourself up. Baby, baby, get up. So baby, get up. Don't just stay down. No. Yeah. Baby, get up.
So I'm sitting here at my campsite just north of West Glacier, the entrance to Glacier National Park. I've got the river right here. It is glacier fed, so it's pretty chilly, but with the sun being as hot as it has been the last couple of days, it has been a godsend to be able to fall into that. And right now we are at about 50 to 20 miles an hour, some up to almost 30 as far as like sustained winds, but we've had some gusts that are coming through here at 77 is what they're forecasted at. And I've got my canvas up. I actually have a tarp here that I have connected to the end of the tarp extension that I have with that reinforced canvas. And this tarp has been able to sustain those winds pretty well. I'm gonna keep checking it out and see how it fares, but I've been pretty impressed so far. And I feel like I'm just waiting for it to rip everything apart, but like I said, so far it's been able to sustain it pretty well. It's holding up on this reinforcement here. This little dude is designed to kind of twist down out of the wind. As long as it's staked down, it should be good. And then this tarp is filling up, but it's basically reinforced on the corners here, that corner there, and then also that corner all the way down to the stake down there, and then along the bottom over there, that stake over there, right there. So anyway, just kind of testing out the wind, testing out my tarp, testing out my canvas, seeing how things work, and so far so good.
Pink azaleas by your driveway, shade our leisurely goodbyes. In your terry cotton sweater, with your arms sweeping the sky. It was then I had a knowing. You were waving till the bend. I keep this folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Folded at the corner so that I could not forget.
It's hard to see because of the low light, but
the mountains you see kind of in the distance there, without that haze that's over the top of them, is basically smoke from wildfires. So that actually you can almost see blowing across the valley right now. Interesting.
Under cypress trees and smoke, carved like lovers into driftwood. On this moment I depend. I keep this folded at the corner.
To take that relaxing. I've been enjoying this river to just keep me cool, but this family is enjoying this river. I don't know if you can see that guy in that black suit, but he's just chilling. And you got these guys coming up behind on the paddleboard, standing, which is pretty good. It's not very much as far as rapids are concerned, but really cool area to chill out and definitely cool off. This today was 96 or 97 degrees. Yeah, little dude, I think he's got a cowboy hat on. He does. Get it. He knows he's on camera now. See, I'm not alone. Great river to hang out in. Duck approved. I would definitely say that we have some residual smoke from the forest fires around the area, because what you see right behind me is the sun, and it's almost completely blotted out. It was extremely bright this time yesterday. The smoke is definitely bad right now. In fact, I mean, you could barely see the mountains kind of in the distance. There's a lot more that you could see earlier, but the view itself is actually not bad.
Leaving this place, the sun's about to break. You're riding shotgun. The feeling we chase, I'm wide awake. Take me away now. 'Cause I won't go down the same old path again now. No, I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. Feeling I've got's making me crazy. If I'm having a good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy, making me crazy. So I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive.
You all the best, always.
You wanna come down to the underground old school? Here's a shovel, can you dig it, fool?